Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Coromandel. Analyst maintains buy on the company with a revised price target of Rs 2,535, assigning a multiple of 26x on FY27 EPS due to backward integration and increasing presence in non-fertilizer business. Focus on backward integration and investment in CDMO, specialty chemicals, and drone business would drive long-term growth. At current market price, the stock trades at a valuation of 27.4x its FY26 and 22.8x its FY27 EPS. Next, we have an update on SBI. Analyst maintains buy rating on SBI with a target price of Rs 980. Quarter 4 earnings were mainly aided by fee income, treasury gains, other income, offsetting weak NII and higher opex, one-off, supporting the returns ratio. Bank slightly lowered loan growth guidance to 12% for FY26 versus 14% earlier, but is confident of maintaining ROA at 1% going forward. There were no emerging concerns on asset quality and expect the bank to sustain ROA of 1% and ROE of 14 to 15% in the near to medium term. We acknowledge that core operating profitability would be under pressure in FY26, but that has already been priced in. Focus is on ramping up other avenues, treasury and fee income to sustain ROA at 1%. Its well-positioned balance sheet will help to capitalize growth, improving system liquidity. At the current market price, the stock trades at 1x its FY26 and 0.9x its FY27 core book value estimates. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in the last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.